We're going to review how to add and subtract mixed numbers. So if we have the problem 10 and 4/5 minus 2 and 3/5, we want to start by subtracting our whole numbers. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. And then next we're going to subtract our fractions. So 4/5 minus 3/5. Remember, when we add and subtract fractions, our denominators are going to stay the same, and we're just going to add or subtract our numerators. So 4/5 minus 3/5 equals 1/5. So then we're going to put those two parts together, which will give us 8 and 1/5. In this example, we're adding 4 2/3 plus 3 1/3. So again, I'm going to add my whole numbers first. So 4 and 3 equals 7. And then next I'm going to add my fractions. 2/3 plus 1/3. So my denominator stays the same. And I get 3/3. So I know that when my numerator and denominator are the same, that's equal to a whole. So 3/3 is the same thing as 1 whole. So when I go to put these two parts together, I need to combine 7 plus 1 more. So that is going to equal 8, because 7 and 1 more makes 8. So I'm not going to have a fraction with my answer for that problem. On this one, I have 5 4/6 plus 2 3/6. So we'll do our whole numbers first, which equals 7. Then we're going to do our fractions. I can see right away that I'm going to end up with an improper fraction. 4/6 plus 3/6 equals 7/6. So this is an improper fraction, and I can't leave it like that. I can't say 7 and 7/6. So I need to change 7/6 into a mixed number. So remember, to do that, we're going to divide. So I know 6 goes into 7 one time, and I'll have 1 left over. So 7/6 is the same thing as 1 and 1/6. So now I need to combine my two parts of my answer. So I have 7 plus 1 whole is 8, and then 1/6 left over. So make sure that if your answer has an improper fraction, that you change that before you write it down. Here's another subtraction one. So we have 4 7/8 minus 1 6/8. So we're going to do 4 minus 1 is 3. And then we'll do our fractions. 7/8 minus 6/8 is 1/8. And I don't need to change anything, so I can just combine these together. So my answer is 3 and 1/8.